How to download a Notion template. If you want to download a template on Notion, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you are connected to internet, and after that open your Notion app. Now make sure you have logged into your account. You can log in with your Google ID, your Apple ID, or other platforms as well. After you log into your account, you can see search icon here on the bottom. Click on it. Now here type in the template that you want to use. Here I'm choosing this one. If I want to export or download this template, then simply click on this three dotted on the top right corner. After that, you can see this export option. Click on it. Now again click on export. So if you click on this preview content option, you'll see the template from Notion. So this is how you can download a Notion template. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.